pound and a half each. Onions and garlic with olive oil, lots of garlic. I'll try to make like a marinara sauce for the oysters and the lobster. Look folks, there's many ways to make that, okay? Either you can make the Italian vongole sauce, tomato base, or marinara sauce. I'll see. Look here what I'm doing it. Fish biryani, cooking in a steam. I cannot open up now, I'll do it after. Okay. Cover it. We'll be back. So folks, here is 3 things for us today. This is done by my wife. I mean cow hoof soups, okay? West Indies style, Caribbean. And this is the one. Is the live lobster. I had 1.5 pounder each, 3 of them. I got a mussels. And that's it. This mussels goes with the marinara sauce, you know. And guess this. This recipe already I have in my channel. This is the fish biryani. Alright. I have a cow hoof soup recipe also, but this is the new thing I did today. Okay, look at this. Beautiful, isn't it? So folks, this is a very short video. I am off for Thursday till 5 days. I had 5 days off. Restaurant closed. So I'm just doing some cooking and upgrading my knowledge about the social media. So if you like this video, please subscribe it. If you didn't subscribe yet, hit the like button, press the bell button, and share the video please. So I'll see you in next video.